It's on.
Yep, it's on. We're good. As long as we see the red light. Ready?
Yes.
You're gonna pull up for me. 1 and 2. Awesome, you can relax. I'm gonna tighten your straps.
Okay.
Alright.
How long it is.
No, you don't look. You don't think the camera should be up a little bit? That was the greatest ride coming up here on that thing.
This is how long
Amazing.
the second zip line from here to there.
Here, put your head forward. There we go.
That might be a little hot.
Good?
Yes.
Top of 2 to bottom 2, flyers left and right are loaded and ready to fly. Bottom of 2 to top of 2, flyers left and right are clear.
Nick, you don't have to hold on.
Okay.
Neither do you.
Look this way.
I
Okay.
want to see you hands up. No holding on.
That might be a...
Ready?
Nick,
Yeah.
I'm going to spin.
1, 2, 3.
Spin.
You got the video.